3.6 million views, 1.4 million views, 1.3 million views. And this channel is still pulling in millions and thousands views using simple AI-generated content. This TikTok channel called Axon Studio AI has already grown to more than 84,000 followers just by posting AI videos, and they're making huge money from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best AI workflows for creating this type of content yourself. And the crazy part, you don't need a massive budget or advanced editing skills. It's simple, easy, and fast. We're going to use a workflow with TopView and SeaDance 2.0. With TopView, you can create social content, ad video, e-commerce, film video, AIUGC video, explainer video, and so on. This workflow helps you create higher quality AI videos with more control, better consistency, and lower cost. Step 1. Create the storyboard. First, go to TopView.ai or click link in the description. Then, click the image, then choose the storyboard. Inside TopView, I open the storyboard tool. Instead of writing a full script, we only describe the visual idea. For example, a cinematic scene of a confident young girl holding a skincare product, soft lighting, modern bathroom, realistic style. Make aspect ratio 16:9. For the image generation model, keep GPT Image 2. There is Nano Banana 2, numbers of the images. Then I click Generate, and GPT Image 2 creates storyboard images based on the idea. This is useful because now I can preview the scene before generating the actual video. Most people skip this step and waste credits on random generations. Step 2. Turn storyboard into video. Now I go to Agent V2. I upload the storyboard image as a reference. Then I add a simple motion prompt like slow camera push-in, natural hand movement, cinematic lighting. Then choose SeaDance 2.0, aspect ratio 16:9 for the duration, make 30 seconds. Then I click Generate. Now the AI creates a clean video that matches the storyboard. This gives much better results because the AI already understands the scene. Step 3. Extend into multiple scenes. Next, I use the multi-scene extension feature. I add another prompt. Please generate the remaining scene images so I can complete the scene prompts accurately. Make it 30 seconds, then generate again. And boom, extended clip is ready and seems realistic clip. Now we're creating a sequence instead of just one clip. This is how you can turn one idea into a complete AI video. The best thing is that TopView is an all-in-one AI tool. It has an editing dashboard where you can reduce, extend, remove, and delete clips. And at the end, export the final video. TopView also released a new Ultra plan. Here's a quick breakdown. Unlimited GPT Image 2 for 365 days. Access to SeaDance 2.0 video generation. Unlimited mode for creators who generate videos regularly. The business plan gives you 250 credits per month and costs $75 monthly. The Ultra plan costs $120 monthly. But the good news is, if you choose the annual subscription, you can get huge discounts. Business plan drops to around $44 per month. Ultra plan drops to around $50 per month. So if you plan to create AI videos consistently, the annual plans can save you a lot of money in the long run. So if you want to scale AI content, this can save a lot of money. My biggest tip is always start with a storyboard. Keep your prompts simple and focused, and try to build scenes step by step instead of generating random clips. That's the workflow I've been testing recently, and honestly, it makes AI video creation much easier and more controlled. So yeah, that's how you can create full AI videos using a smarter and more efficient workflow, from idea to storyboard to final video. And honestly, what makes TopView stand out is how simple yet powerful the entire process feels. You're not just generating random clips. You actually get real control over your scenes, visuals, and final output. The combination of GPT Image 2 for storyboarding and SeaDance 2.0 for video generation makes the workflow feel smooth, fast, and surprisingly cost-efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.